I'm Daryl Davis. For the last 4 decades, I have dedicated my life to dealing with people like this.
Cultural invasion from Mexico and every other third world cesspool that's coming here to try to overrun our borders.
This is for the Carr brothers, and it's right here! Good old-fashioned heritage justice!
Who was that guy? That was Jeff Schoep, the commander of the NSM, the National Socialist Movement, which was the largest neo-Nazi organization in the United States that he led for 25 years. I interviewed Mr. Schoep in 2016, and he told me with no uncertainty and with racist and anti-Semitic venom in his voice.
We would fight to the last bullet for our people.
While it is important to know who he was, it is more important to know who he is today. For the last half a decade, Jeff Schoep has gone from radicalization to reconciliation, from fighting to the last bullet for his people to fighting for the rights of all people. Today, he is a world-class educator, training and assisting law enforcement agencies and other groups, both domestically and internationally, on how to combat counter-extremism. He has successfully de-radicalized others from the ideology of white supremacy and works actively to prevent young people from going down that road and joining those movements. From radicalization to redemption, Jeff has made it his mission to meet with the very people he once diametrically opposed with his racist and anti-Semitic views. When Jeff is not doing good deeds and lecturing on his own, I am proud to travel around the country and share my lecture stage with him. He educates the audience on the triggers which led him to join an extremist movement. He also shares the manipulations and tactics he learned and used to keep people in that ideology and to recruit more members. Equally important, he informs people about what led him to leave the movement and renounce the supremacist ideology that poisoned and imprisoned him for 3 decades. The take-home: audiences become better informed and learn how they too can help make this a less divisive, more kind and accepting society. From standing at opposite ends of the ideological spectrum to coming together and sitting down at Martin Luther King Jr.'s proverbial table of brotherhood. Who is Jeff Schoep today? He's not just my friend, he is my brother.